Hello everyone, welcome back for another video. So today we're back in Belgium. It is good weather outside. I think it's good weather outside. I'm wearing a t-shirt, but I started with a sweater because it looks warm, but it isn't always. So today we're testing two wheel cleaning products on my dad's car because he's a real car wash man, so the wheels are actually never cleaned the right way. So today we are testing BILBERRY wheel cleaner on them and KENOTEK Pro on one of the two front wheels to see which one performs better. BILBERRY is my favorite wheel cleaner, so we will see what KENOTEK can do against it. Chances are small it can even beat it, but we can always try and we can see what it can do. So the BILBERRY wheel cleaner is an acid-free product, effective on brake dust, of course. Pleasant aroma, that's a lie because it doesn't smell pretty good. It is dilutable, so most of the time I dilute it 1:4 or 1:2 or something, depends on how dirty the wheel is. So, but that's a big plus because it is a pretty cheap product and you can dilute it, so it makes a lot of product and it makes it even cheaper. It is suitable for all wheels, all types of wheels, but today we are using it non-diluted actually, because this KENOTEK isn't dilutable, and to make it a bit fair, we don't dilute this one. They will not be diluted, but the wheel cleaner, KENOTEK Pro wheel cleaner, is a non-dilutable product. It is already from out of the bottle. It comes in a really nice bottle. I think it's a bit more expensive than the other one. It is it's all safe for all types of wheels, so it is acid free, but we will see the cleaning abilities of this one. So let's try it out and we will see what they both can do. Very curious. So let's go. So you can see that these wheels are been to a car wash, because here they are something almost clean, but on some areas like this they are still insanely filthy, full with brake dust. The inside is full of brake dust, but you can see it isn't cleaned very well. So we will see what both of the products can do about this. We will start off with the KENOTEK. I'm just gonna spray it on and rinse it off. So of course very simple, I just shake the product and spray it on. Product foams really nice. But it smells really bad. We'll take a look, of course with some water on top. It always looks clean, but here you can see a bit of the dirt coming through, and if you go over it with our finger, you can see it is still filthy. It didn't remove everything, and they are black painted wheels, so they show everything, but I'm very sure it didn't remove everything. So we're gonna spray it again and agitate it and see if it removes everything after that. Okay, so after rinsing them and letting them dry for a bit, you can see they are perfectly clean. You get this rust kind of look all over the brake disc with this product. That looks not that good, but if we break it, it will be gone, but the rest of the rim looks perfect. So now the other side. So on this side it is the same story as on the other side. On some areas it is a bit clean, but most of the time you can see there is still a lot of brake dust on the wheels. So we're gonna spray the VALET Pro BILBERRY on it and we'll see if it can remove everything. As you can see, it is dirty. So same story over here, just shake it and spray it on. It turns a very nice red. So you can see that it definitely did not remove everything. Don't know how good you can see it on camera, but you can see it still is pretty filthy. So now we're going to spray it on the wheel again, agitate it, and we'll see how good it removes then everything. So you can see after rinsing the wheels off, they are perfectly clean. So that's perfect. And it's very difficult to get black painted wheels perfectly clean. So very pleased with that. So we're gonna do a little review on the inside. So guys, it is done. Both of the wheels are cleaned. None of them are cleaned from the first time. So let's take a look which one is still my favorite. And it is this one. This is still my favorite. It cleaned a little bit better in my opinion. Of course it is not diluted, but it cleaned a bit better. But you can dilute it, which is a big plus because you'll have more product for the money with it, and it still will be very effective. I know that from experience. So this is a very good product, still my favorite. Cleaned very good, cleaned the tires also a bit better. What I also like about this one is that if you agitate it, it will foam pretty good, so you know where you went with your brush. So still love this product. But now let's talk about KENOTEK, which did a pretty good job as well. It also foams a bit, but it goes away when you agitate it. So yeah, it are the little things that make it a good or a bad product, because it cleans a perfectly clean wheel as well, and I don't have that with all the wheel cleaners, especially when they are this filthy and there is some cooked brake dust on there. But this one did also a great job, but you can't dilute it, which is a big minus for me, but still does the job fine. Still a pretty good wheel cleaner. Let me know in the comments down below which is you guys their favorite wheel cleaner. What you also can't forget is to hit that like button, pretty important to me, and also hit that subscribe button, because a lot of you guys aren't subscribed, and it would help me a lot to review more products for you guys. So please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and then I will see you guys tomorrow, because now we're at home all day long. We are trying to do one video a day. I can't promise you things because sometimes I'm a bit too lazy, but I can't get out of bed or something, but we will try our best. So don't forget, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and see you guys tomorrow. Ciao!